Hi, this is Tom from FormAssembly with a quick demonstration on how you can utilize the new Webhook connector within Workflow to create tasks within Asana. So here you can see we have a basic workflow, which is just a form to take some information and a thank you page. And then we have the Webhook connector here, which has been configured to send a task using some of the fields from the form. So you can see here currently in this project, there's no tasks. If we were to fill in the workflow, and give it a completion date, and we can say it's high priority. That's gone through successfully. We come back to the Asana project, you'll see that's just come in now. It's been assigned and it has the priority.